Baby. Hi, baby bears. Look at me. Babies. Hey. It's alright. You're video shy, huh? Hi, beautiful. Hi. You know you're my buddies. You see? It's not so bad. It's not so bad. It's more light in this room, huh? You got way more light. I want to let your other babies out. Your brothers and sisters, but, I know it's gonna be a hassle getting you all back in the cage, but it's only like a little after 12:30, so I got plenty of time. And I really doubt all of you will go far or be that much of a hassle. But you never know. But baby, I let you come out first because I know you good. And I know how much you love me. You're a good boy. I love you so much. You know that? You're always gonna be my baby. I'm just making a little video of you. I just want to make a little video of you. What's the matter? Baby. What's the matter? Hey. Well, something's bothering you. You're never this still. You're like frozen. What's the matter? Hey. Baby bear. It's alright. You know, it's been a long time since you've been out in this room, huh? A couple years. Babies. I'm gonna let you all come out, but I'm a little worried about it because I know you're not gonna be easy going home. Okay, now everyone wants to come out, huh? Hey, babe. Will you feel better if I let your brothers and sisters out? Along with Daddy? Would you like that? Yeah? You're a good boy. He's a good boy. I know you like looking out the window, huh? It's hot in here. I had to open up a window. Oh, shit. Baby. Come on, buddies. What's the matter? Hey. What's the matter? Come on. Come on. Well, you don't even want to move. Come on. Come on. Baby. Would it cheer you up if I let everyone out? Because I know they all want to come out. Look at them. They're all jealous because I give you the most attention. Yes, I do. We know some of you are going to be real hard to get in the cage later. Hey, babe. You're just going to stand there? You're not going to move? Alright, watch how fast they, Come on. Alright, the door is open. Come on. Come on. Now, if anyone come out? Does Daddy want to come out? Come here. I'm going to have to start taking you out one at a time, huh? Alright, I'm gonna... Hey! No fighting, you two. Come on. That's your daughter. Come here. Come on, Niven. There you go. You see? Baby, feel better now? Come on, guys. Come on, Milo. You always down for new things. You're a fearless bird, you see? Oh, there they go. Oh my God, I let them come out. Easy. They don't know nothing, that's why. Easy. Baby. Oh, he fell. Come here, honey. Come here. Are you okay? Here. Here. Careful. You need to be careful. All right, just easy, baby. Come here. Come here. Careful. Come on. I'm sorry. I don't want to scare you. I don't want to scare you. Shh. It's okay. Look at you two up there. You can't even fucking see. What the hell? That's some bullshit. Well, there's Sparky and Blaine. Sparky! I knew I was gonna have to worry about you. You can't even see shit. Should open up the other window. Alright, who's in the cage? Blackbeak, Skyvin, Riley, and Milo. Come on. How the hell am I gonna get you all home? Hopefully you'll go on your own. But you can come out for a couple hours. It's early. Careful, baby. After this video ends, I'm gonna move some things out of the way in here so that you can get around easier. Niven, you remember this room. Come on. You've been with me ever since we moved here. You've been with me for a long time. Like, damn, what is it, like 10 years now. You're an old man. I'm so grateful that I still have you. You can't even fucking see. What the hell? Blaine! I wonder... No, flashlight won't work. Maybe a little bit. Huh. Yeah, the flashlight, the light just gets in the way, I think. And you guys don't like the light. Blackbeak, you looking out the window? You just chilling in the back? Nice Skyvin. Hi. Oh, what's the matter, babies? These are handsomes. I gotta try and open up this room a little bit. I think it's time for a drink. I've delayed it long enough. With two little birdies. Another minute and then it'll end. Baby, what's wrong? You just gotta get used to it again. You just gotta get used to things again out here. You see? There you go. Who's that, Blaine? Yup. They see you. Oh boy. Oh boy. Baby, careful! Ah, shit. This isn't gonna work. Baby! Damn it. Baby! Come here. I'm sorry. Come on.